Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Jade. If you're not new, welcome back. And in today's video we will be talking about 10 things that you need for college that you didn't know that you needed for college, or that may easily slip your mind. So if you would like to see this video and you would like to keep on watching, then let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to mention this quick before we get into the 10 things that you are going to need and that I hope that you do not forget. But before we get into that, if you want to see behind the scenes of my life, everything that I do, go ahead and check out the description to catch me on all my social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Go ahead, it will be in the description below. Make sure you check that out. Do not forget. Also, before you leave this video, make sure to subscribe. That helps me a lot, a ton, and I would very much appreciate it. And if you want to, you could press the little bell notification right next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a video. So with that being said, let's just hop onto the first thing that you didn't know that you need that is going to come in handy. Okay, so number one, hangers. You are going to need hangers for your clothes because either one, they're going to give you a baby mini closet and you're going to need hangers to hang your clothes. Simple as that. It's something very simple, but it like kind of slips your mind when you're thinking about like all the big stuff that you need to get, but definitely do not forget hangers. So number one, hangers. Now, number two, cleaning supplies. Do not forget this. Do not forget your cleaning supplies because your room will be a hot mess. A hot mess. A hot mess. Don't forget your cleaning supplies. Like a broom, sweep, like Swiffer mop, like something nice and easy and cute. Don't forget that. Clorox wipes. Don't forget cleaning supplies because it's easy to slip your mind and think like, oh, like you don't really think about like, oh, I'm gonna need cleaning supplies. You're gonna need cleaning supplies, so don't forget it. Number three on the list is your broom and mop. All the rooms that I've been in, particularly at my school, do not have carpet, but if you have a carpet room, get a mini like vacuum so that it's not dusty and crusty. But if you have hardwood floors, like most of the colleges that I've seen, you're gonna need a broom and sweep and then a mop to mop up your messes and stuff like that. Don't forget that. Paper towels, all of that, cleaning supplies, you know, don't forget that. Number four is medicine, or like if you take a medication, please don't forget your medicine. Or if you're sick, don't forget like NyQuil, Tylenol. Don't forget your basic medicines that you're gonna need, because a lot of people don't think about that when they're moving in. They're just like excited to move in and they get all the big stuff. Like, you're gonna need medicine. Don't forget it. Okay. Number five is laundry items. So don't forget your laundry basket. Don't forget your laundry sheets, like the little sheets that make it smell good in the dryer. Don't forget your Tide Pods or whatever you use to do laundry. Don't forget that, because most of the schools I know do not provide you with those types of things. So do not forget that. Number six on the list is, don't forget like if you live in a suite, don't forget a bath mat so that you don't have to wear shower shoes in your shower. And if you live in a communal bathroom, don't forget your shower shoes for one, and don't forget your caddy for two, so that when you're going to the bathroom, you're not holding all your stuff in your hands. You just hold it in the little basket and then you're going. So don't forget that. That's a major key. That's a major key. So number seven, like I said, don't forget your shower shoes. This could go either way. If you live in a suite or if you're like doing communal bathrooms, shower shoes are like super important, because you have to remember there were people in the room before you and you don't know if they wore shower shoes or not. You don't know if how clean everyone is. I recommend always wearing shower shoes because you don't want any fungus or any bacteria infections or whatever to get on your feet, period. So don't forget that. Number eight, don't forget your headphones. You use them sometimes in class when you're doing like little exercises or whatever. Don't forget your headphones. Do not forget your headphones. And actually buy an extra pair, because in case you lose your headphones, you have another case of backup. So don't forget your headphones. Number 9 would be your Ethernet cable, or any type of USB cables, or any type of cable like that. Do not forget those. Those are super important. Like if you want to charge your phone, if you want to hook up to the internet, stuff like that, don't forget those. That's a major key, and they're super important. So my last and final like thing that you do not want to forget is an umbrella. That's so crazy, but like, it's an umbrella. Do not forget your umbrella, because I promise you, like when it's rain season and it's raining a lot, you will like be so happy that you brought your umbrella, because I've seen so many people on campus, like when it's pouring down raining, just in a hoodie. No, you don't want to go around walking on campus soaking wet in a hoodie. That is nasty. No, then you're going to be smelling like wet dog. So don't forget your umbrella. Don't forget your umbrella. Don't forget your umbrella. It don't have to be a big umbrella, but something that's going to keep you dry. So don't forget your umbrella. And that is all I have for y'all today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to comment something that you almost forgot but didn't forget, and comment something else that people like tend to forget that they shouldn't forget, comment it down below. And yeah, just go ahead. But yeah, what else? I think that's all I have to say. If you want to follow me on my socials, you already know what to do there in the description box below. I'm a shameless plug, you already know. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, and I love y'all, so I'll see y'all.